Hello and good day to everyone. Today I'm here to talk about Christ acknowledges us before the Father. I'm going to read Matthew chapter 10, verse 32 and 33. Whosoever therefore shall confess me before men, him will I confess also before my Father which is in heaven. But whosoever shall deny me before man, him will I also deny before my Father which is in heaven. There are many people that are denying Christ, and many ways people are denying Christ. Some are totally rejecting Jesus Christ. They cannot accept that Jesus is the Son of God, and some are secretly denying too by the way how they live. Even in Christian community, our brutal action, our harassment, our wrong attitudes are our secret way of denying Christ. When the people see us, they don't see Christ in our life. And when the people see us, we have to show that let the people see Christ in our life. Let the people see the goodness of Christ in our life, not our brutal human nature. And I'm going to read Romans chapter 1 verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God unto salvation to everyone that believeth, the Jews first, and also to the Greek. Here, Paul has many ways and chances to say to excuse his to excuse his preachings. But what about Paul says? He does not feel ashamed to preach the gospel, for it is the power of God to bring people into salvation. And the gospel of Christ will decide our eternal decisions. The little thing we should do to make us feel the presence of Christ in our life will decide our future life. Many people in this world, we can say we are Christian, but people doesn't see Christ in our life. People are feeling alienated Christ in our life because of how we act, about how our brutal human nature is showing in our area of life. So I request everybody today that by our way of living, let the people see Christ in our life, so that Christ acknowledge that oh, this man or that boy or this girl, that woman belong to me. So we will be really a Christian who is known by Christ and who has been confessed our name before the Father by Christ. Thank you, everyone.